Hello, everyone. It's Laura with Laura's Stamp Pad, and I am so excited because this just came in the mail. I am pumped, and it's still sealed. I probably should have opened it, but it's still sealed. So I get to open my new catalog pre-order with all of you guys, and I am so excited. So this is the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog Pre-Order that demonstrators get to do. So I get to see the new in colors. So far, I have seen the catalog. It's so fabulous. You guys, I know that we probably all say this. The layout is different, and it will take some getting used to. For me, I know. I can't say, different is just always hard because change for me is always hard. So I don't like it in some instances, like the very back of the catalog. I liked the layout before, but I'm telling you, this is not a catalog. This is a resource. I guarantee I will be opening this catalog often because there are actual card layouts and color combinations and technique tutorials and everything in there. It is just amazing. When I looked through it for the first time and I kind of did a quick flip, the first thing I thought of was, gosh, I want to get down to my stamp room to play. There's just so much in there to get the creative juices flowing and to give you inspiration and excitement. And I love that. I love that. So this is definitely one you're going to want to get in your hands. I will leave a link in the description box so that you can sign up to get one of the catalogs, and I'll make sure to have one sent to you. So let's dive in. First, we got bubbles. Then we have, do we want to see stamps first? We'll do stamps first. Simply Said. This is a stamp set that is a great greeting stamp set for I don't know why. I hope I didn't do that, but it looks like Stampin' Up! Might have sent me the French version. But a great greeting stamp set for beginner stampers, or just a good greeting stamp set to have on hand. There is a whole section in the beginning of the catalog geared towards kits and how amazing they are, if that's your thing, and then kind of steps up a little bit more and sort of gives you ideas on doing stamps, ink, and paper. And then it goes into the full avid stamper where you can design and create and do everything on your own. And so this stamp set is one of them that's in that intermediate area. So you can do stamps, ink, and paper and stamp with this. But I love a good greeting stamp set, and I love a good scrolly font. Okay, why I got it in French, I don't know. I'm a little nervous. I need to check my packing slip. But then we have Layers of Beauty. You guys, remember I did that last one, Enduring Beauty, and it was a stamp set, dies, and masks. And now we have another one. So I'll be playing with that. I haven't even thought about all of my upcoming online card classes, but that might be one of them. Then we have, so talking about greeting stamp sets and a good scrolly font, here is another greeting stamp set, and then there's, I forgot what these dies were. It says, they're the same, Unbounded Love, because Stampin' Up! Started doing that where they named the dies and the stamps the same. Love that. Oh, look at that. Are those not amazing? Also, is anybody else seeing a vase? A vase right there? I think it probably kind of goes like that, but I love this. I love a good label set. And these are so detailed. Like, you know, it's going to put those little dotted lines. It's going to put like an extra little like oomph to it. So excited about those. And again, I love this stamp set. This is one of the $1 Million Achievers stamp sets. Let me see who, and I can maybe give a shout out, but it actually doesn't say. So I apologize. But it is one of our $1 Million Achiever created stamp sets. And I also didn't notice it, but it does say Faith, Hope, and Love are 3 of the images. But hope is believing in a brighter tomorrow. Love never gives up. Faith is being unsure of what we cannot see. But there's also happy birthday with sympathy. Have a blessed day. My heart goes out to you. Celebrate. Hello. You are loved. Friend. May all your wishes come true just for you, to you and yours. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. And then we also have, the Easter Lilies stamp set that I added onto the order. Okay. Now let's do in colors. Okay. We have Summer Splash. It is, I'll be doing a whole video on the in colors, but like different than Pool Party and Coastal Cabana, but also not quite green. Not quite, I don't know. Again, I'll do a whole video showcasing like the different colors and things. Peach Pie. It's peachy. It's not pumpkin pie. It's peach pie. So it's definitely that lighter, brighter color. Petunia Pop, which you can see. I love bright colors, so I'm loving those. My box is getting like offset, so it's going to start to fall. Shy Shamrock. Very similar to the Summer Splash, but more green. One's more green, one's more blue. And the last one is a pink color. Pretty in Pink, which we had this color before. I'm not sure if it's the exact same as the old Pretty in Pink, but it is what I would call light pink, but not as light as this one. Not as light as Petal Pink. Petal Pink is almost non-existent pink, in my opinion. This is more like light pink. But these are your 5 new in colors, 2024 to 2026. We also have ribbon to match each of those. And I think I'm loving the ribbon. It is like soft, not super wide, very pliable, and super cute. I got a few extras of those. And then I got all of the ink pads. So now I can label all of those. Don't forget, and I have a video on it, but you use the labels on the bottom to put on the front and on the inside. Then also there is a new neutral. This is not in the neutrals color family, but in like the extras, you know, like white, vanilla, and basic beige. It is, I don't even know what it is. It is like light crumb cake. Yeah, like light crumb cake. Basic beige. I don't know. I'll have to play with it and see how it goes. I also got some more of these. Those are going to be used for an upcoming event. Here are in color dots. And these are thin. and like smooth on the top so you don't have to worry about them like busting through your envelope. But yeah, very thin, very lightweight. Super cute though. I will say the peach looks yellow. It looks yellow on camera, but it also looks yellow in person. So that might teeter between, but like, it doesn't look like that. Although there's a lot of glare on that I just did. So anyway, I'll do a whole video on that. We could be here all day looking through those. So, oh, wait, I got some Paper Pumpkin refills. And I also got Lemon Lolly that's back in stock. Yay! Super excited about that. I have been using a lot of Lemon Lolly lately, and I was behind. So I actually got 2 packs of Lemon Lolly. Here is, oh, there's another pack of those. Here's more in color ones. These are called Shimmer Gems. As you can see, very shimmery. These are a little bit thicker than the other ones. They're a little bit more of like an actual dome. The other ones were like a dome up and then flat and then a dome back down. These are actually like a true dome. I don't know. Doing that doesn't really show very well. But they're like those little crystally ones. And then we have pearls. Pearl Trio. Some of them kind of moved around, but that's okay. I'm not sure what 3 colors these are, but there's like a purpley color, a bluey gray, and then like coral or red or something. Okay, then we have, here's basic beige cardstock. And then I also got this ribbon pack. This is Petal Pink and White Diagonal Trim Ribbon. Oh, it is diagonal. See the diagonal look there? It looks really soft and thin and like pliable to be able to tie knots. The other thing is the white will be really handy for dyeing different colors, whether you use your ink refill and some alcohol or blends. So I always like a good white ribbon, because if you have a good white ribbon, then you have every color of ribbon. By either like, you can also press it into your ink pad. Okay. Now we have paper. So remember how I told you about like the kits, and then the next step up, they kind of show you stamps, ink, and paper. So they did note cards and envelopes. These are called Sunny Springs note cards. And you can see the envelopes are even printed too. Super cute. And then I'm going to have to learn how to say this. If anybody would like to coach me through it in the comments section, I would love to hear on how you pronounce, which it might be backwards, that Ephemera, E-P-H-E-M-E-R-A. How do you pronounce that? I need to learn, because this is like a whole like line, but they are printed die cut pieces. So you would then take your note cards and envelopes, your pack, fully flowering, whatever that word is, pack, and your stamp set, and boom, you have quick and simple cards. A little bit more than, like, you can also add jewels, or, you know, you can kind of create, let your creativity kind of go a little bit more than a kit, but a little bit less than just saying, you know, here you go, figure it out. So, you know, if you're kind of like a step up from kits and wanting to like add in a little bit more creativity, or you want to have one of those on hand for when you need a quick and simple card, or anything. I mean, I feel like there's no like everybody is one level, because I feel like everybody can be every level, you know, depending on how much time you have or how much room you have or anything like that. So there's that. And then we have designer paper. This is in color paper. So this is the 2024 to 2026. That's the pretty in pink flowers. And then one of the other prints is this. If you guys want me to do a designer series paper reveal where I show the full sheet, then let me know in the comments and I can do that for you guys. Thoughtful Journey 6x6 paper pack, very scene-like, you know, nature scene and things like that. Then there is Unbounded Beauty. You guys know me and my flowers. And then well, I'm not sure. This is in color glimmer paper. Very glimmery. And then this one is Thoughtful Designs specialty paper. And you can see the gradient between the colors. It says Cajun Craze, Calypso Coral, and then Petunia Pop. So Coral, Cajun Craze, Petunia Pop. Super cute. And there's a couple different pieces in there. And then the last thing. So one of my demonstrator friends said this morning something about how big the embossing folders are. And I was like, what? Well, I ordered one of the embossing folders. And you guys, it's the size of my head. What happened? I thought like embossing folders, you know, used to be like this. It's the size of my head. It's absolutely huge. So, yeah, I'm glad she warned me on that. And so now I'm not like, what in the world is this? But look at that. Like, okay, well, here's an envelope. So, like, here's your regular size card. And see how big that is? You could do, depending on the design you wanted, you could do 2 sheets at one time. 2 sheets of cardstock, I think. Like right there, and 2 sheets might be rough. But like if you're going to do it as like a layered piece that's a little bit smaller. But look at that design and those dots. So excited about that. Huge. The size of my head. Anyway, that is my new catalog haul. Let me know what you're most excited about. Let me know what you want to see more of. I plan on doing a little bit more chit-chatting about the new in colors, but like if you guys want to see more color combinations with the in colors or designer series paper reveals or things like that, then let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to make that happen for you guys. I am going to go play now. And don't forget, there is a link in the description so that you can sign up and make sure you get one of those catalogs sent to you. So just fill out that form and I will make that happen. This came today, but all of my boxes of catalogs I think are coming tomorrow or maybe Saturday. That is going to be a heavy, heavy box. But I'm so excited. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more.